What's the meaning of Bill Bojangles Robinson? Bill Bojangles Robinson. Bill Bojangles Robinson.
Bill Bojangles Robinson. Bill Bojangles Robinson. Bill Bojangles Robinson was an iconic African-American tap dancer and actor who rose to fame in the early 20th century. Robinson's nickname Bojangles comes from his style of tap dancing, which involved a lot of intricate footwork and bounce. He became known for his graceful and effortless movements, as well as his innovative use of rhythm and improvisation. In addition to his contributions to the world of dance, Robinson was also a trailblazer in Hollywood, breaking racial barriers and paving the way for future generations of black performers. His legacy continues to inspire dancers and entertainers around the world today.